Good morning, students. We will learn today about cool colors. So, you will take out page number 9 in the book. At first, you will write date 16/06/21, and then you will just trace these dotted lines. See the picture shown over here on the book. It has some shading, okay, some places has little bit of shading. That shading you have to do it properly. Now cool colors are those colors in a color wheel which come in one side of the color wheel, isn't it? So those colors are like green, blue, violet, which has less yellow or red, but it has more blue, okay, more blue in it. So green also has blue, na? So green will come always inside the cool colors, and also violet is coming inside the cool color where the red part is less, okay, the blue part is more, so it will all come inside the cool color. See, there are various shades are used, not just one blue or green color or violet color, but violet color is also different having different shades here. And blue is also having different shades here. Now while coloring you will use crayons. So with crayons in the leaves, see the colors are changing, okay, so it's like more yellow in color in the down leaves, then it gets more and more dark green when it's like reaching the top leaf is having more dark green, okay. So here I will mix the yellow and the light green. Then here we can use just the light green. Then this leaf you can use the light green, okay, light green at first, and then you can use some if you have sap green then it's fine, or you can use just dark green, okay. So dark green like this on the light green, so the colors will come like this, okay. So like this the leaf will be done, and after that on the waves like the down wave, you can use the dark pink color very lightly on the waves, and then you can do the violet color also very lightly on it to get the reddish violet color. Okay, so if you have the reddish violet color, then use it directly. So very lightly I am using the pink color. It's the last wave, okay, which has this color. And then violet color very lightly. Okay, so after this wave, see here, it's complete purely dark violet, so you can use the dark violet directly. No need of using any other color. And after this will be blue, dark blue. Dark blue. Okay, like this you will color the waves. See the small details. Okay, always see the small details in the picture, like I'm telling you, like see here, small round is there which has this color. Okay, this wave is so we will use the pink and the violet color, then this will have only violet color. Okay, now coming on this area, this background, we have to use the dark green color. See here, the dark green color is like more dark here, and then it gets very light in this place. So always do the shading also that is shown in the picture. Shading, you should not miss it. Okay, in the picture it is shown the color is somewhere it is dark and somewhere it is light, so you have to see it very carefully. You are doing it from this picture, so see it very carefully and do that. So it's dark here, and then when it comes to this place, okay, it's dark in this side actually. Okay, see this cloud is here. Okay, so it will be dark here, but when it will come in the middle, so you just make it very light, like this, very light. This cloud will have dark blue. And this water will have light blue. See, this will only have the light blue color. Otherwise, everywhere you will use the dark blue color, somewhere like lightly, or somewhere little dark in a dark way. So here only the light blue color. On the drops also you will use the light blue color. Only one drop they have used here, they have used the dark blue little bit with the light blue. They have used the dark blue as shading from the side, see, like this. Just this much of shading. Okay, otherwise rest of the drops they have used light blue only. You can do some shading also like this. Just one side you can make it dark and the other side you can keep it light. See, I am doing it like this, you can do it. Okay, so like this you will complete this page of all the things with cooler color. Then you will go to page number 10. Now in page number 10 again we will write date. Today's date is 16/06/21. So here see, there is a flower pot is there which we have to color here. Okay, so here they are talking about tint, tone and shade. So tint, tone and shade are the, tint is the lightest one and tone gets like medium in color. Okay, this color only when it's get darker keeps getting darker. So shade is the darkest part of the yellow color. Okay, here it's getting darker. So it's so how it's going from lighter to darker, the shading. Okay, so we are going to do that only. Okay, so I have taken here three colors. You will use oil pastel for this, oil pastel color. Okay, so this is the darkest one and this is the medium color and this is the lightest one. Okay, so we will just start coloring it. Use oil pastel color for this. So like this gradually the color will change. So that change, it will not happen suddenly, but slowly the color changes, isn't it? So like this you have to show the change. So in tints and tones and shade, what you have to show here, you just have to show the change of the color from the light to medium to dark color. Okay. So like this I have done almost the half of the pot with yellow color. Then now here I am going to, okay, so here I am going to do the dark brown. If you don't have dark brown, you can use brown and you can mix it with little bit of black. Okay, after doing the brown color, you can also put some black on it to get the dark brown color. In oil pastel, you can do some mixing of color. So do it carefully. So like this we will just color this from dark to middle tone and then to the lightest one. Slowly the color will change. It's not like suddenly, okay, it's not like suddenly from dark to middle to light tone, but gradually it will slowly it will change. Okay, so don't make the colors like, you know, uh, suddenly becoming brown and suddenly becoming yellow, but this mix with each other. Slowly it change. The color also it blends with each other. Okay, it blends. Then it changes. So be careful while doing this shading. So now just send me the completed work in the Google Classroom. Okay.